what's your perspective on women in sales leadership, and how can more women rise in this field?
Uh, okay, so I would say again a personal experience here, Priya. I mean, despite spending so many years in sales, I have
Yes, ma'am.
seen very less female coming forward and willing to make a career in sales. There are a lot of reasons. Let's not go to each and every reason, but the main concern that being a female that I have also faced is kind of the safety aspect. When I started, I was doing field sales and I was actually visiting a lot of remote places. I was going to very isolated areas जहाँ पे factories होते थे. अभी तो still it's very easy in your age कि एक कैब कर लिया, रेंटल पे ले लिया, और I mean, because I'm saying because I just started तो उस टाइम पे मेरी खुद की कार नहीं थी. I was dependent on these shared transport, etc. So safety issue was something that was kind of एक moment आया था that I was like why I am in sales. But I think if you talk about today, I think those things are not that much. But I would still recommend that if more of the females would like to make a career in sales, try to see आपके लिए field क्या होगा. कुछ ना कुछ तो field होगा. या तो वो आप एक मेट्रोज में विजिट कर रहे होगे, आप कॉर्पोरेट्स में विजिट कर रहे होगे, आप मे बी स्टोर्स में विजिट कर रहे होगे, आप इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में विजिट कर रहे होगे. बट दैट सेफ्टी एस्पेक्ट इज वन थिंग that you should be really mindful about. Having said that, I have been in situations जहाँ पे कोई भी और टीम में सेल्स का नहीं होता था. That was kind of that was kind of encouraging for me because I always like to do something which is different from others. I always wanted to not be a part of the rat race. तो जब मैं उस उन टीम्स में होती थी and I talked about the emotional thing that females have a lot in them, it helped me to kind of look at sales from a very different angle. मेरे colleagues बहुत ही transactional approach रखते थे हर discussion में, but I used to bring that empathy, that emotional connect, that relationship building into my conversation, and that is why I was able to achieve my targets over and over again and again. So I would say for the kids who are of this age, especially females, if you are thinking of making a career in sales, go for it. It will give you a lot of exposure and financial independence. Because seat आप समझते हो, अगर जो एक फैमिली डायनेमिक्स होता है, एक सोसाइटी डायनेमिक्स होता है, it's kind of defined by how independent you are in terms of taking a decision, in terms of having or managing your own finances. Sales can give you both of it. So go and get that kind of independence for yourself and try to inspire others in the journey. When you reach at a certain position, kind of guide the other females around you to maybe have less failures in their journey and they learn from you.